This is the Brio Stage 1 Sediment filter. This is the Brio Stage 2 Carbon Blot filter. If you have a Brio Series 500 and you get this red light on here, you're gonna have to change these filters. I believe they're rated for like something like 6 months and 1,000 gallons, but these are really easy to change. We use this water filter a lot. These are the old ones in here. Basically, this is what it looks like when you get it. They just come in one patch just like this, and you just basically unscrew it and put it on there. Very easy to use. It takes about a couple of minutes each one, not a very big deal to do, but that will reset your light if you have the flashing, it's a quick flashing light for the filter change, and the slow flashing light just means that you're out of water in your tank here. So these are easy to change. You definitely want to make sure you keep up on these because they do filter out all of the elements. But again, Brio is a really great brand. These filters are really great. We always keep them in stock for when the filters go low, and just easy to change, and highly recommend this machine and these filters.